In this question, we have to simplify this expression over here. All right. So we have 7 by 8 plus 1 by 9 divided by 1 by 2. So over here, you can see you have to add two fractions with different denominators, and then you have to divide by a fraction. So that's what's being tested in this question. So let's try to do that. First, we'll try to simplify the numerator. So we have 7 by 8 plus 1 by 9. Now, to add two fractions when the denominator of these two fractions are different, what you should do is you should be able to make the denominator the same, right? So 7 by 8, I can write it as 7 by 8 into 9 by 9. Similarly, 1 by 9, I can write it as 1 by 9 into 8 by 8. Now, these 1 by 9 and 1 by 9 into 8 by 8 is the same, right? Because 8 by 8 is 1 only. So we are not changing the value of the fractions, but the denominator has changed now. I have the same denominator in both the cases. So the numerator over here becomes 7 by 9 plus 1, 7 into 9 plus 1 into 8 divided by 8 by 9, and then I have 1 by 2 over here. All right. So 7 into 9 is 63, and then this is 8. So that's 63 plus 8 divided by 8 into 9. And when you divide by a fraction, let's say you're dividing a with 1 by 2, that's the same as multiplying a with the inverse of this fraction, and the inverse of 1 by 2 is 2. So dividing by 1 by 2 over here is the same as multiplying with 2. So let me write the numerator and multiply it with the inverse of 1 by 2, which is 2. So that's equal to 63 plus 8 divided by 8 into 9 into 2, right? Now we just need to simplify this. So 63 plus 8, and that's equal to 71, right? So that's 71 divided by 8 into 9 into 2. So again, this 2 and this 8, we can simplify it. We get 4 over here. And the answer is 71 divided by 4 into 9, which is 36. And this is approximately 2, right? Because if you have over here 72, then 72 by 36 is exactly equal to 2. And we are reducing the, from when we go from here to get to here, we are reducing the numerator a little bit. So the answer over here will be slightly less than 2. Okay, so that's the correct answer over here. And that's answer option A. You can see that the options are very far, the other options, right? Option B, 3 by 2 is just 1.5. So that's too far from 2. And then you have 1 and 1.5, 1 by 2 and 0. So the best answer is option A. Now let's check what is being tested over here. Adding fractions and dividing by a fraction. So these are the two concepts over here. Now to add two fractions, you need to make the denominator the same. And remember about dividing fractions. If you want to divide 7 by 1 by 3, it's the same as multiplying 7 with the inverse of 1 by 3, which is 3. Now do check my website to know more about my other GMAT programs and bootcamps and workshops. And do subscribe to this channel to get notified when I release the next video. All the best in your preparation.